Hello everyone, and welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Tonight we're going to be opening this little bag here that has 3 custom pens from Diamond Penz. So let's take a look and see what I have. Now one of these pens will be a gift for my sister, so hopefully she won't be watching. Normally she doesn't see my videos unless I let her know that I've posted them, so I'm going to keep this one a secret. Alright, here we go. So again, these pens come from Diamond Penz off of Facebook. It is a Facebook group, and I really love their pens. They do acrylic pens, and they also do wood pens, so I've got quite the little collection going. When you purchase a pen from them, you will receive 3 multi-placers, just grabbing them here, and 2 different size separator correctors. So that's what you would receive with your pen. So I'm just going to move these off to the side. And let's take a look at this one first. Let's see here. So exciting. Now, those of you that have not seen any of these pens, these acrylic pens are wonderful. They are amazing. Look at that. Wow, that is pretty. Now this is a clear red. I believe it was called Crystal Red. Beautiful, and I love the way these pens feel in the hand. They're very light. They're not overly heavy. Very nice pen. So this is called, I believe it's called Ice Red or Ice Ruby Ice or something like that. But beautiful, beautiful pen. So that's one. So let's open this one here. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, this one's really nice. Ooh, look at this. Just gonna bring it up to the camera so you can see it a little bit. Really pretty color. Now this is a specialty blank that they had, and I really love this. It's got a frosted look to it. Very nice. Now both of these are in the same style. They do have different types or different styles that they can cut them in, but very nice pens. As I said, very easy, nice in the hand. Oops, turn on my light pad there. So, okay, let's open this one. Now this is a mini, and this is the one that I got for my sister. Okay, let's see if we can keep them from rolling. Wow, that red one looks amazing in the camera. So this I got for my sister. She's been telling me she wants to get one of these pens, and I got the wood pen for her, and then this one here is just another Christmas gift. And it's a little mini. Look at that. Isn't that cute? It is. It's a mini. So I really thought that she would like this one as well. It's a little different because you have to get used to the fact that it's small, but it feels really good in the hand. And for those of you that have been following me for a while, know that I live in Canada, but I'm originally from Washington State, so this will be another Christmas present for her. So I'm actually giving her this one and this beautiful wood pen as well. So these are the 2 Christmas presents I'm going to give her. So there you have it, everyone. These again are acrylic pens off of Diamond Penz from Facebook. and I will have all the information linked down below for you if you're interested in taking a look at any of their beautiful pins. Oops, that one's going to fall if I don't put it right. There we go. So just bring them up to you really quick. Aren't those beautiful though? Really beautiful, nice pins. Excellent work. Okay everyone, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up. And if you didn't like the video, I'm totally okay with that. But if you can go down below in the comments and let me know what you didn't like about the video, that way it helps me improve my videos in the future. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to the channel. If you do subscribe, please hit that little bell that's right next to the subscribe button. That bell will notify you when I've uploaded my next video. So by saying that everyone, if it is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If it's afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if it's evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name's Jene. Thank you for joining me tonight on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care everyone. Bye.